Good morning, dear students. I am Suvek Singh Chauhan. I shall present a short lecture on introductory part of insurance law. Dear students, as we all are identified with the fact that human life is so uncertain, due to this uncertainty, human faces various forms of risk in his life. Everyone wants to live a peaceful and secure life. So a sense of security against these losses which originates due to the uncertainty of life always exists in the mind of every person. In other words, everyone wants to live a secure life. So, this sense of security against the losses is the root for the origination of the concept of insurance in human life. Insurance is a cooperative device, a mechanism which protects human against the losses which originates due to the uncertainty of life. In other words, insurance provides security to the human against the losses. Insurance is a cooperative device which reduces or eliminates risk or loss to both life and property. On the basis of it, we may see there are various forms of insurance as life insurance, social security insurance, motor vehicle insurance, and many other forms of insurance. Insurance provides only financial protection against loss arising out of happening of an uncertain event. In insurance, there are two parties, one insurer, second insured. Insurer assured insured against the losses. In consideration, insured gives premium to the insurer. A pool is created through the contribution made by persons seeking to protect themselves from common risk. Premium is collected by insurance company or insurer, which also act as a trustee to the pool. Any loss to the insured in case of happening of an uncertain event is paid out of this pool. Insurance works on the basic principles of risk sharing. In other words, we can say that in insurance, burden of few pupils shifted to the whole community or pupil at large who contribute to the collective fund as a premium. So, it is a cooperative device. Cooperation through the cooperation, security or protection is provided to the all contributors in the collective funds. So, if we conclude it, then we can say that uncertainty of life originates risk. Risk is the main reason for sense of security, and sense of security is the main reason for the existence of concept of insurance in human life. So it is enough for today's. In next lecture we will discuss about the definition and meaning of the insurance. Thank you.